The following contest is the final in the Tag Team Championship Tournament. Introducing first, from Tijuana, Mexico, weighing in at 241 pounds, Tito Santana.
You know, this person takes some pride in their work, but who could blame them? Few are as gifted in the ring as this performer.
Wow, you are laying it on thick, Saxton. Don't worry, I'm sure they'll hear you when they watch this match 10 times before bed tonight.
And his partner, from Texas, weighing in at 279 pounds, the Tornado, Kerry.
This superstar has a lot of confidence, a lot of pride, but there's also a lot of respect for their opposition tonight.
Oh, I get it. Great mind games at work.
No, Corey, just respect.
Oh, so this superstar's just an idiot. Got it. The look of focus and determination on his face. He wants to show the world that he can compete on this high level.
At a combined weight of 577 pounds, Samoa Joe and Brock Lesnar.
Take a look at this team, completely on the same page. Such incredible teamwork they've shown. I can't wait to see them compete.
And of all the possible matchups in this tournament, I'd say we've got one of the best in front of us right now.
Look, I'll admit, I've had my fingers crossed it would work out this way. Will it be?
1, 2. Oh my God, he's still in the match. He got the shoulder up right at the last moment.
Both legs trapped.
He's in off the tag. Oh, man. Samoa Joe not fast enough.
Oh, God. Oh, solid contact there.
He could pin his opponent right here.
It's over.
2. Digging down deep and staying alive.
This is where desperation becomes a factor. Time to pull out all the stops.
Monkey flip.
Really just laying it in.
Partner tags in. Shoulders down. 1, 2. I thought it was over, but again.
Can we please get some control?
Lesnar throwing hard to the outside.
Drops the hammer.
Right on the lower back.
Boom, a forearm smack. What a counter from Joe. Underhook suplex. That kick will stop you in your tracks. With the tag is Brock Lesnar.
Oh, you can tell he's feeling it now. This fight is pumping him up.
Suplex.
Making it look easy.
There's a fisherman suplex.
Oh, my goodness.
Wow, look at the torque.
It's cinched in. I think we're just...
The stretch muffler's in. Couple of kicks will break it. Got him set up in the corner of the ring. Pinpointing the leg. Ooh. tough position to be caught in here. Oh, God, face first.
Oh, man, kick to the face.
Hooked him up. High angle belly to back suplex.
Does he get him here? Here's a cover. Could be it. And he stops the count for his partner. Headlock cinched him. Just tossed without regard.
Unleashed might and force.
Whatever's playing here can't be good.
Are you kidding me? He's staring his opponent down, getting into that zone. And down with the suplex.
Oh, look at the... Oh, man, that hurts.
The referee counted, urging them to get in the ring. Fisherman suplex. This is it. Oh, my God, did you see that?
He just kicked out by a fraction of a second.
Ooh, vicious body shot. Oh, right to the gut. Man, oh, man. The Beast is taking charge.
Just another day in the office for the Beast incarnate.
And continuing to punish their opponent with a German. And the cover for the win. Yeah, no, he doesn't get the three.
So close. That could have been it.
Clean tag for his partner.
Right in the breadbasket.
Scoop slam.
Legs drop across the throat. And there's the cover. 1, 2, 3, no.
I am in shock. What's it going to take to keep this guy down? Drops the hammer.
Right on the lower back.
Stomping. Ouch. Fantastic awareness from Joe. Definitely not where you want to be right now. Just carried like a rag doll here. Powerbomb all the way to the outside.
He knows how to avoid contact. Heavy duty right hand. Hitting the elbow drop. Joe with some agility.
He takes control. Counters. 6. Ooh, caught him in the head. He may not be aware of the count. He's got to get back in. Goes under the ropes to get back inside. 8. Really pushing the limit there.
As long as you're aware, use as much of the ref's count as you want.
Very effective.
Kick to the gut.
Right around into a neck breaker. Carefully placed stomp to the arm. From a seated position, this takes tremendous power. What a suplex. And this has got to be it.
Referee stops the count on the ropes.
He switches it back around. Clotheslines are effective.
And the electricity of this moment is coursing through his veins.
Yes, tag.
Planted.
Here he goes for the win. 1, 2. He got it. No, Joe barely kicked out.
Every kick out taking... On a claw. There's the claw. This could be it.
Oh, Samoa Joe. Samoa Joe may submit.
That's it.
Out.
That's it.
Got it. There's the winners of the tag match.
Here are your winners.
Making their case for one of the best teams around with that win.
Really putting the sports in sports entertainment. This is a duo that really practiced their teamwork.